Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start with the chapter number 5, Weather and Climate. First and foremost, we need to understand these two words. What is weather? What is climate? So, weather is the atmospheric condition at a certain time, at a given place that changes every day. It means एवरी डे जो फ्रीक्वेंट चेंजेस होते हैं वेदर में, मौसम में, दैट कम्स अंडर वेदर. सपोज मॉर्निंग में बहुत अच्छा है, शाम को बारिश हो गई, दोपहर में सनलाइट थी, तो दैट इज़ वेदर. एंड क्लाइमेट इज़ द एवरेज वेदर कंडीशन दैट इज़ मेजर्ड अप्रॉक्स 30 ईयर्स. किसी भी पर्टिकुलर एरिया का क्लाइमेट जो है वो एवरेज वेदर कंडीशन होती है, जो कि लगभग 30 साल 30 ईयर्स के लिए मेजर किया जाता है. Now weather is defined as the condition of air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall in the atmosphere at a given place and time. That is what I told you. Weather changes every day. Now another thing, it changes every day. It may be hot and dry today, but tomorrow it may be rainy and wet. But the weather condition in the morning may be different from the evening. The same way, आज कुछ और टेम्परेचर है, कल कुछ और हो सकता है. सेम वे जो इवनिंग में वेदर कंडीशन जो मॉर्निंग में थी, दैट कुड बी डिफरेंट, इवनिंग में कुछ और हो सकती है. चेंजेस इन द वेदर कंडीशंस गिव राइज टू सीजन. और यही कारण है कि जो वेदर कंडीशन में जो चेंजेस आते हैं उसकी वजह से सीजन्स चेंज होते हैं. इन इंडिया वी एंजॉय 3 सीजन. इंडिया में समर, winter and monsoon. We experience these 3 seasons due to weather condition. Our lifestyle varies according to the season. Now it varies. Why so? Because if it is summer, we'll be wearing cotton clothes. If it is winter, we'll be wearing woolen clothes. If it is rainy, we'll be wearing rain suits. So according to the season, our lifestyle changes. Whatever we are wearing, that will change. Whatever we will eat, that will also change. Food item also will change. It influences what we eat, what we wear and even the type of houses we live in. It also determines the crops that farmers grow. और seasons के according farmers जो हैं, जो agriculture practice करते हैं, वो उनका crop भी change हो जाता है. किस season में उनको क्या crop grow करना है, it varies. Now let us discuss climate. The weather condition that prevail over a large area and for a long period of time is called climate. किसी भी एरिया में लंबे समय तक जो वेदर कंडीशन रहती है, और it can also be known as, it can also be called as average weather condition of a particular time, a place is known as climate. The climate of a place remains more or less the same year after year. Different parts of the world have been different types of climate. Now different parts of the world having different climate. Now for this I'll bring it to you here. This is our earth. Here we have sun. So the part which is equatorial part, which is known as equatorial part near earth to the equator, is facing direct sunlight. It means here the weather condition will be different. And the polar region, frigid zone, is experiencing or facing slanting sunlight. So the weather condition over here, climatic condition over here will be different. Here the climate will be different and here the climate will be different. On the basis of the prevailing climatic condition, the world can be divided into 7 major climatic regions. इस बेसिस पे, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस के बेसिस पे पूरे वर्ल्ड को 7 मेजर रीजन्स में, क्लाइमेटिक रीजन में डिवाइड किया गया है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज व्हाट इन्फ्लुएंस क्लाइमेट. नाउ लेट्स सी द रेज, सन रेज, द हीट रिसीव्ड बाय द अर्थ गिवन फ्रॉम द सन, emitted from the sun, that affect or influence the climatic condition. Here the direct sun rays, climatic condition will be hot and humid. Here the sun rays are slanting, that is why here climatic condition will be different. So that is why many factors influence the distribution of influence the climatic condition, that is distribution of heat on the earth, that is what I have said, thereby affecting the climate. Let us read about them. Suppose this is our earth and here we have sun. So the region which is nearer to the equator, or also known as equatorial region, is experiencing direct sun rays. Here polar region is experiencing slanting sun rays. So as we move from the equator towards the pole, जैसे जैसे हम इक्वेटर से पोल्स की तरफ जाएंगे, the rays of the sun fall on the surface of the earth near the equator. These rays are vertical and spread over a small area. As we move away from the equator towards the pole, the rays become slanting and cover the large area. That is why places near the equator receive more heat. यही रीज़न है कि जो इक्वेटर के आसपास के प्लेसेस हैं वो ज़्यादा हीट एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. And as we move away from the equator towards the pole, will receive less heat. That is what they have said. Distance from the equator, in this they have discussed this. Next point we'll discuss in the next video.